Hey everyone, traveling can make it tough to keep up with your fitness routine, but it doesn't have to be that way. Here's how you can stay fit anywhere, no matter where your adventures take you. First up, pack some lightweight fitness gear. Resistance bands, a jump rope, or even a foldable yoga mat are perfect. They won't take up much space in your luggage and can be used almost anywhere. Next, embrace bodyweight exercises. Push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks are fantastic for a full body workout and require zero equipment. You can do these in your hotel room, at a park, or even on the beach. Don't forget to explore on foot. Walking or jogging around your destination is a great way to stay active, while also soaking in the sights. Plus, it's a more immersive way to experience a new place. Staying fit isn't just about exercise. Nutrition matters too. Try to eat balanced meals and stay hydrated. Local markets can be a treasure trove of fresh fruits and veggies. Make use of your surroundings. Stairs, benches, and playgrounds can double as workout equipment. Get creative and turn your environment into a gym. Join a local fitness class or group activity. Whether it's yoga, dance, or a boot camp, it's a fun way to meet new people and keep your routine interesting. Lastly, set realistic goals and be flexible. Your routine might not be perfect, and that's okay. The key is to stay active and enjoy your travels. So there you have it. With these tips, you can stay fit and healthy no matter where your journey takes you. Safe travels and happy workouts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel fitness hacks. See you next time.